Hello everybody, welcome back. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this tutorial a big thumbs up. In this video, I will show you how easy it is to remove the background around your subjects, even around the curly hair, cause this part is a bit tricky. Let's go ahead and start with opening a picture with a girl with curly hair. First thing to do is to unlock the background and then to duplicate the layer. And then we have to go to channels next to layers here in this panel. If you can't see the channel, you have to go to window in the menu bar and then go and check channels here. Once channels is checked, you go and see RGB, red, green and blue. In our case, we have to be on the channel that give us the most contrast. Red, green, blue. I think that being on the blue channel give the more contrast. Let's go now to image adjustment levels to give it more contrast. Okay. Now let's go to select color range to select all this black part that we gave it contrast in order to see the small details in the curly hair. So now we select the black color, and here in this small window all this part appeared in white. Go and hit OK. For now, let's go and mask the layer. It is now masked. Then you will notice that the background disappeared when I just hide the layer 0. We notice that we have some parts that in the face are transparent. Let's go select the brush and give them color. Okay, now let's go back to the channel and select this part, then we have to go back to this layer and select inverse and then delete, and we hide the layer mask. Now as you see, we have the girl with the curly hair, the original image, with no background around it, with a transparent background around it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope that you enjoy it, and if you aren't subscribed yet, please subscribe.